Good morning, everyone. I've got a little something to show you. It comes to us from EasyDIY.com. Yeah, so I've gotten some stuff from them before, and they asked if I wanted to get something else to show you. And I was like, sure, because it's smashing the specials time. And yeah, they had some fun little special projects. So you want to see them? Do you want to see them? I'm super excited. I'll give you a hint right now. Little bunny foo-foo. Okay, yeah, all right, okay. Let's look at this one first. This, I did open the bag to see who this was from, and so I have seen this, and I really didn't know what to expect, I guess, with this, but I don't know how this is supposed to open, but the bag is tearing, so I don't know. We're just gonna tear open the side of the bag. That's what we're gonna do. I didn't know what to expect from this, but here's what we get. Okay. All right. Get a toolkit. We get this nifty little thing right here. This is a foam. This is an eraser. Now, does this open? I'm certain it does. And it's a marker. It's a marker. Why is it a marker? Because this is a little bitty dry erase board. That's what that is. Okay, I had no idea how big it was going to be or anything, but it's a little dry erase board. You'll be able to write on this with your dry erase marker and then clean it off. You can't right now because it's got plastic on it. But look, there's a little bunny hanging over. Look at his ears hanging over the top. He's hiding behind the erase board. And he's got his eggs around it. Look, isn't it cute? Okay, so it will stand up like this, I believe. These will go in the back. Yeah, I think these just go in the back. Let's see. Will it go in there? Come in. Are they in? Was that? Oh, there we go. There we go. And then it stands up. Look at, isn't it cute? Just a little memo board. Honey, take out the trash, please. Right? Feed the cat. Isn't it cute though? Back at 2 o'clock, you know, and then it's cute. Okay, it's super cute. All right, and it just slides right in there, and that's your little stand to hold it up. I love it. It's cute. All right, it's special drill. I'm gonna have to do this. I'm gonna have to do this. Oh boy. Filming. Shh. Put that by the front door. Oh boy. Oh, look how pretty those are. Those are absolutely gorgeous purple. That's beautiful. A lime green, another green, a lighter green, a pretty blue, a gold, an orange, clear, pink, and a darker pink. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. And then we have a few special drills in here. We have some of these iridescent marquee. We have some orange faceted, and we have some larger, big brothers here. Isn't it cute though? I mean, that's adorable, right? That's adorable. Like I said, I didn't know what to expect. I did know it was a dry erase, like board type thing, but that is just so cute. Okay, we're gonna have to work on that. You sit over there. Oh, and look at that. Isn't that nifty? It also has a little tray right there. You can just leave the pen right there. Can you see that? Can you see? The pen will sit right there. Nifty. All right, here's another special project. Like I said, it is little bunny foo-foo time, right? Oh my gosh. And it really is. Around here, it is insane. You guys, the rabbits, it's crazy. Oh, there's so many bunnies. No big Peter Cottontail, though. Not yet. Okay, what do we get? What do we get? Look, there's an egg. Get some more special drills. We get a toolkit. Oh, with some baggies. You want some baggies. All right. Here's the base. Here's our base. That has no drilling on it. No drilling on the base. Interesting. Most of the time, the bases to these things have drills on them, but this one won't. 2 pieces. So they stick together. You peel off this little film and it's sticky, and they'll stick together to make a nice thick, solid base. And that's what your piece will go into. Do you want to see the piece that goes into it? I know you do. It's super cute. Look at it. Oh my goodness. It is just a big old basket of Easter eggs, all different colors in this galvanized pail. We have some pussy willows over here, tulips. I love it. Isn't it cute? It's so cute. I couldn't resist these, you guys. I'm going to be decorated up for Easter. This might be all I do, but hey, I'll be decorated for Easter. And then, of course, it will just sit into the little stand here. You got to get it in the little, groove here. And sometimes they're tough to get in. I had Dale help me again with the last one. It's like the grooves are not quite, of course, there's plastic on this too, the plastic covering, but it'll go in there. It really will, honest. And then it'll sit on this little egg. Cute, right? Cute. I love it. Looks like it's predominantly rhinestones. There might be a couple special drills, but mostly rhinestones. Wonder if we'll get any ABs. Sometimes you'll get ABs in there, but I don't know. We'll find out in a second. Lots and lots of rhinestones. All right, so we get the clear. We get the yellow. We get the smoke. And another smoke. Pink, pink, pink. Blue. Peach. Blue. Green. Topaz. What do you call that? Champagne. Peachy color. Yellow. Look a little dusty. We'll see. A gray, a green, and a green. And we have a few special drills here. Not very many, just a few. So we have some clear little teardrops. Can you see those? Some clear teardrops. And we have some iridescent marquees. Look, it's almost making a flower right there. Anyhow, that's what you get for the drills. But isn't it cute? I mean, I love the 3D projects. These acrylic items are so much fun. Which one would you do? Which one would you do like first? This one would be super quick, right? There's not much to drill on that one. It would be super quick. I'm pulling him out of his stand, I think. Anyhow, he'd be super cute. Easy to do. Quick, yeah. I want to do them both. Yep. All right. So I will link both of those items below. They had others. There was like a bunny. There was, I don't know, there was like 4 or 5 different tabletop items like this. And I think there might have been maybe 2 of the little dry erase board type things. So they had options, different choices, but these are the ones that I liked and they're the ones I picked based on, other stuff I have and, whatever. But super cute. Check them out. I will link them both below. And yeah, happy shopping, right? All right, hit that like button and subscribe. If you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe and keep coming back. That would be fantastic. Hit that like button. Membership link is below if you want to check that out. Get ready to do that video. Okay. I appreciate you all. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope to see you again real soon. I hope everybody has a great day, and think happy spring thoughts. Spring is coming. Spring is coming. See you later.